Hi class, welcome to Superhero Wednesday. We're going to start by gathering all our superheroes together at 9:15 for our morning meeting. And then we're going to talk about responsibility, continuing with our cares for the week. After that, I'm going to have some one-on-ones this morning. So our one-on-ones are in the morning today, so check the purple for your one-on-one time. And I've got some superpower writing for you to work on this morning. And I checked with Mr. Downs. You should have a PE lesson for today. For your superhero writing, the first page, it gives you the story. Imagine that you could have one superpower, and what would you choose and why? On the right side, you don't need to, on page 1, you don't need to write a story or anything. Just make a list. Make a list with a few reasons why you would choose that one. For example, like I wish I were invisible because I could sneak up on my friends. Maybe that I could sneak up on my friends would be the first one on your list, or nobody would know if I was late to class would be another one. And you just make a list with a few. And then on the second page, you can use all those good ideas that you had on your list and put them in a paragraph. And then after lunch, I'll be around for a few minutes at 1 o'clock just to help if you're stuck on anything. So make sure you come in right away. If you have any questions or any technology problems or you don't know how to do the assignment. And then we got a fun afternoon lined up. I made a scavenger hunt for you. The scavenger hunt, you are going to go into Schoology and you have to find the different things in Schoology. Some of them are going to be easy to find and some of them are going to be a little bit hidden. When you find them, you'll take a screenshot and put that picture in your Google Slides and just write a sentence or two about how to find it. And then to finish the day, we have some superhero math. Trying to just get our brains back in shape, doing some math this year. And we have a 2 truth and 1 fib game. A superhero has to be really good at knowing when someone is telling them a lie, right? So they can catch the supervillains. So you're going to make a flip grid with 2 truths and 1 fib about yourself and see if your classmates can figure out which one is the untruth. That's it for today. I look forward to seeing you all at our morning meeting. Mr. Bresson out.